Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 872, that is leaf similar trees. And in this we'll be, I hope that what everyone knows that what a leaf node is. A leaf node is, so if you don't know, a leaf node is that node which is having no children. Like in this case, 6, 7, 4, 9, and 8 are leaf nodes. Notice that not other nodes are leaf nodes because they are having like 5 is having two children that are 6 and 2, and 2 is similarly having two children 7 and 4. So these are not leaf nodes. Okay, and in this we'll be given two binary trees, and we have to return uh, two binary trees are considered leaf similar if their leaf value sequence is the same. Okay, so for example, in this case we are having 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. This is the leaf sequence, and in this case also 6, 7, 4, 9, 8 is the leaf sequence. Okay, but in this case, let's say in the second this case we are having that the leaf children, we can say there are 2, 3, and again 2, 3, but these leaves are not equal because in this case the 2, 3 is occurring first, and in this case 3 is occurring first, so these are not equal. Okay, so this can be solved by using a DFS traversal for the trees. Okay, so now let's firstly create both uh, the trees in the form of a list. Let's call it tree 1, that is equal to new array list, and similarly let's have it for tree 2 also, list of integer tree 2, that is equal to new array list. Okay, so now let's write a DFS function, private void DFS, and in this what we're doing, we'll be passing the roots of the node, tree node root. Okay, so then what we'll be doing, okay, let's do one thing. Okay, now, and just here let's pass the list of integer, that is tree. Okay, so now let's do one thing, that if root is equal to null, so at that point we have to return, then we have to check it if it is a root node or not. So for that case, if root dot val if root dot left equal to null, and root dot right should also be equal to null, so in that case we'll be adding these to the tree list, tree dot add root dot val. Okay, and here at this point we'll be returning because we have to find the root node only. Okay, else what we'll do, we'll call the dfs function again, dfs with root dot left and the list of nodes, and then again dfs root dot right comma tree. Okay, so and let's call the dfs function dfs with root 1 and tree 1, and again dfs with a root 1, root 2 and tree 2. Okay, so at the end what we'll do, we'll check just check the if these two trees are equal. So for that we'll be using dot equals from the collections class. So if tree 1 dot equals tree 2. Okay, so now let's run it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's submit it, and it works completely fine. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for watching.